Happy Thursday. Welcome to your Cooking and Cuisine Challenge. Ghost fact possible. We may have slipped one in, or did we? What is a mezzaluna primarily used for in the kitchen? That's right, mincing herbs. The spice grains of paradise is related to which more common spice? Boom. Correct. Black pepper. What type of fermented seafood product with a pungent aroma is a key ingredient in some Thai curries and dipping sauces, especially in southern Thai cuisine? Boom! Correct. Shrimp paste. Bouillabaisse, a flavorful seafood stew, originates from which Mediterranean port city? Boom, correct. Marseille. What is koji in the context of Japanese cuisine? Boom. Correct. A specific strain of rice mold used in fermentation. Which of these international cuisines often utilizes plantains as a staple ingredient in vegetarian dishes? Boom! Correct. Caribbean. Which style of taco is traditionally cooked on a vertical spit and shaved off, similar to shawarma or gyros? Correct. Tacos al pastor. What is mochi primarily made from? Nailed it! Rice flour. What type of bread is traditionally associated with St. Patrick's Day? Boom! Correct. Irish soda bread. What is the term for farm-raised salmon that has been artificially colored to achieve a deeper pink hue? Nailed it! Color-added salmon. Thanks for playing like Follow Bell. Famous Landmarks is next.